All right. Let's go into big home business. Folks, listen. If you're looking to uh, to join TextBot, you'd be crazy, really, if you're serious about trying to make money from home. You'd be crazy if you don't first register for big home business. And I'm going to give you a live preview of big home business. So I'm going to do a desktop share. I'm going to log in to the back. Nothing is more powerful than big home business. First, I want to make sure that I marked any free members that came in. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch that came in. Gotta mark him. See, the minute I mark him, they start our email campaign. You could be busy working, you could be busy shopping, you could be on the beaches, whatever it is you're doing, driving Uber, or if you're in the medical industry, whatever, if you're a first responder, whatever. We have a lot of firemen in big home business. And you can be confident that you get them in church, is what we like to say, and get out of the way, and we're going to get them saved. By the way, while we're here, I'm just going to go to my admin mailer, and I'm gonna send an email on behalf of all my affiliates. Let's do this one. It's called a variable activated email. You see this little code right here? That code converts into a TextBot link. And anyone that an affiliate got inside Big Home Business is going to get their TextBot link. So I'm going to hit free. You see, look, there it goes. Pretty slick. Then I'm going to hit send. And you'll see it processing. It'll start. So while that's happening, I'm going to go to members. We're going to log into my account. I'm just going to send you a quick video. You're going to be blown away. The minute you upgrade, we're going to upgrade you inside Big Home Business, and the fun begins. You know, log into my account. There's a couple new videos that I'm almost done, right? Take me to the members area. And yeah, this one will be done today. On the left, look, tons of content. If you miss one of our training webinars, you just go to webinar replays, right? And you'll see them all. But all you have to do, look at that, tons. Nobody have this much content. But all you have to do to integrate TextBot and Big Home Business, and I'm going to show you, you're going to go to integration links, program variables. You're going to put your TextBot phone number there, hit save. You're going to put your TextBot username there, hit save. And you're going to put your whole entire TextBot link there, hit save. Now you've integrated Big Home Business with TextBot. While everyone else is promoting, join me in TextBot and send their TextBot link. No. You're going to convert because you're going to promote Big Home Business. You're going to get them in church. And we have over about 114 affiliate pages. Yeah, 114. I just put all. In different regions, Atlanta, they're geo-targeted, and then special niches, Australia, baby boomers, barbers, bartenders, Birmingham, Alabama. Let me just show you the quality one. This is the geo-targeted niche, Birmingham, Alabama. Professional video spokesman. Just want to share with you a quick sneak preview to Big Home Business. In the description, I encourage you, just click on the link, register, and just take the time to watch our 17-minute video. That's it. Click on the link in the description, register the Big Home Business, and just watch the video. That's all you have to do. Hey, You have a great day.